Hi everyone, thanks for coming to another story time with Miss Cat. Today will be the first of the videos of my social justice storytime series. Now, I might not be the perfect person to be talking about this, but I do want to read some of the best books about civil rights and what it means to be a person of color in the United States. And I felt like it would be a good place to start with the 2020 Caldecott winner, The Undefeated. And this was written by Kwame Alexander, and the pictures were done by Kadir Nelson. So without any further ado, let's get started. So, The Undefeated. This is for the unforgettable, the swift and sweet ones who hurdled history and opened a world of possibility. The ones who survived America by any means necessary. And the ones that didn't. This is for the undeniable, the ones who scored with chains on one hand and faith in the other. This is for the unflappable, the sophisticated ones who box adversity and tackle vision, who shine their light for the world to see and don't stop till the break of dawn. This is for the unafraid, the audacious ones who carried the red, white, and weary blues on the battlefield to save an imperfect union. The righteous marching ones who sang, "We shall not be moved, because Black lives matter." This is for the unspeakable. This is for the unspeakable. This is for the unspeakable. This is for the unlimited, unstoppable ones, the dreamers and doers who swim across the big sea of our imagination and show us the majestic shores of the Promised Land. The Wilma Rudolphs, the Muhammad Alis, the Althea Gibsons, the Jesse Owens, the Jordans and the LeBrons, the Serenas and the Cheryls, the Reese Whitleys and the undiscovered. This is for the unbelievable, the we real cool ones. This is for the unbending, the black as night is beautiful ones. This is for the underdogs and the uncertain, the unspoken, but no longer untitled. This is for the undefeated. This is for you, and you, and you. This is for us. Now that's a pretty heavy book. Featured there are a lot of really amazing American athletes who, despite the civil rights at the time, the non-existent civil rights at the time, succeeded beyond anyone's wildest dreams. And it is our duty as as citizens of this country to make sure that we keep their history alive and we keep in mind that things haven't changed as quickly as we'd like to. And again, it's our job to make sure that everyone feels like they are worthwhile, that they are important, and that they're smart. Because, my friends, if you're listening to or watching my story time, you're very smart. And together, we will be able to make this world a better place. So, join me next time, and we'll read another book, either a book about life before the 1960s, or a civil rights book about civil rights activist. So, it was lovely seeing you this time, and I look forward to seeing you again. Have a very good day.